What if you could transform your spare bedroom into a thriving clothing business? Picture this. No commute, no boss, just you and machines that turn fabric into profit. The clothing industry is booming, and you don't need a factory to get your share. From custom t-shirts to professional alterations, these 10 machines are your ticket to financial freedom. Let us get to work. Number 10. Automatic Rhinestone Setting Machine. We are starting with a machine that turns plain fabric into luxury evening wear. The automatic rhinestone setting machine is a massive upgrade from manual hand presses. Instead of setting one stone at a time, this fully automated robot uses ultrasonic waves to fix rhinestones onto fabric at high speed. It can set hundreds of stones per minute with perfect precision. This machine is essential for creating high-end dance costumes and wedding dresses and decorated shirts. The machine linked here is a professional single-head model priced at $1,450. It features a computerized display where you can adjust the speed and heat settings. The machine automatically feeds the rhinestones from a hopper and places them exactly where you want them. You do not need to handle tiny stones with tweezers anymore. By offering premium crystal customization services to local bridal shops and dance studios, you can charge premium rates that justify the investment. Number 9. Leather Skiving Machine. If you have ever tried to sew thick leather belts or bags, you know the struggle of bulky and uneven edges that break needles. The leather skiving machine is the solution. This desktop device uses a razor-sharp rotating circular blade to shave off thin layers of leather from the edge of your material. It makes the leather thin enough to fold and stitch perfectly. This machine is an investment in professional quality. The Yamada model linked here is priced at $1,899.95 and comes with a table and motor. It features a wide skiving width and operates at high speeds. You simply adjust the blade height and feed your leather strip through the guide. The machine peels away the excess thickness with surgical precision. By ensuring your edges are sleek and professional, you move your product from homemade craft to luxury good, allowing you to command significantly higher prices. Number 8. Ultrasonic Lace Sewing Machine. Forget needles and thread. The ultrasonic lace sewing machine uses high-frequency vibration to cut and weld synthetic fabrics simultaneously. It effectively sews without any consumables like thread or glue. This technology is the industry standard for creating reusable shopping bags and surgical gowns and decorative lace tablecloths. It fuses the fabric edges together, instantly creating a clean sealed edge that never frays. The industrial model, often found on Made in China, is priced around $1,200. It features a wide roller mold and can run at very high speeds. The mechanism involves a pattern roller and an ultrasonic horn. As fabric passes between them, the vibration generates heat that melts the fibers into the shape of the pattern. If you want to start an eco-friendly business producing thousands of non-woven tote bags for local grocery stores, this is the machine you need. Number 7. Industrial Buttonhole Machine. Imagine sewing a perfect shirt and getting the fit just right, only to ruin it with a messy hand-cut buttonhole. The Industrial Buttonhole Machine automates this complex task. Unlike a standard home sewing machine that struggles with thick layers, this dedicated unit cuts and stitches the hole in one fluid and rapid cycle. It ensures every single buttonhole is identical and reinforced against tearing. This specific listing on AliExpress is for a used Juki industrial unit, priced around $1,100. It is designed for round-head buttonholes, which are the standard for suits and coats. The target market for this service is surprisingly large. Many local tailors and small fashion designers do not own this specialized equipment and will pay you to finish their garments. By setting up a finishing service in your home, you become an indispensable partner to other clothing businesses. Number 6. Automatic Glove Knitting Machine. The demand for safety gear is recession-proof. Construction workers and mechanics always need gloves. The automatic glove knitting machine allows you to tap into this massive industrial market. This machine is a marvel of engineering. It knits a complete glove from the cuff to the fingertips in a single piece. It typically uses cotton or polyester yarns, and the computer system controls the size of the weave. This specific model is listed at $1,800. It is capable of producing hundreds of pairs of gloves per day. One operator can easily manage 10 of these machines at once because they stop automatically when a glove is finished. The business model here is volume. You are not selling one pair for $50. You are selling 1,000 pairs to a local construction firm. Number 5. Computerized sock knitting machine. The price for this industrial-grade computerized sock knitting machine is $2,800. While the upfront cost is higher, the return on investment is fast because socks are a daily essential. This machine is a single-cylinder knitter that can produce everything from standard athletic socks to complex pattern dress socks using multiple colors. The machine works by feeding yarn through a cylinder of needles controlled by a computer interface where you upload your designs. It knits the sock to and heel automatically at high speed. The beauty of this business is the ability to create custom socks for local sports teams or corporate events. Number 4. Pneumatic hat heat press. Forget about flat t-shirts for a moment because the real profit margin often lies in headwear. Caps and beanies are high-margin accessories, but customizing them is tricky because of their curved shape. The pneumatic hat heat press solves this. Unlike manual presses where you have to guess the pressure, this press uses an automatic system to apply exact pressure. This ensures your design adheres perfectly to the curve of the cap. This specific VEVOR model is currently priced at $120. It features a curved heating plate designed specifically for hat bills. The process is seamless. You place the hat on the platen, then position your design and the machine clamps down automatically. With blank trucker hats costing less than $2 and selling for $25 when customized, the markup is substantial. Number 3. DTF Direct-to-Film Printer. For decades, small businesses were stuck choosing between low-quality iron-on transfers or the high setup costs of screen printing. The DTF printer has completely destroyed that barrier. It prints your design onto a special film using specialized inks. You then apply a powder adhesive and press it onto any fabric, including cotton and leather. This specific listing shows a printer model starting around $1,120. It uses a reliable printhead standard for this work. This machine empowers you to run a print-on-demand business from your garage with quality that rivals major streetwear brands. You can print the films and sell them to other crafters or press them onto garments yourself. It is currently one of the most versatile machines in the custom apparel industry. Number 2. Fabric Laser Cutting Machine. Profitability in clothing often comes down to speed and precision, and nothing beats a laser. The Xtool P2 is a powerful laser cutter that acts as a textile powerhouse. It can cut intricate lace patterns and perfectly sized applique shapes in seconds. These tasks would take hours with scissors. Furthermore, because the laser burns through the fabric, it instantly seals synthetic materials like nylon, preventing them from fraying. The price for this high-end desktop unit is currently $3,200. It features dual cameras for perfect alignment, meaning you can throw a scrap of fabric in and the machine will recognize exactly where to cut. The business potential is vast. You could manufacture custom felt hats or intricate leather patches. The laser allows you to bridge the gap between digital design and physical cloth with absolute perfection. Number 1. Commercial Embroidery Machine. The king of apparel customization is and likely always will be embroidery. While home machines are slow, a commercial 12-needle machine is a factory in a box. The machine linked here is the BL1201E. It is a single-head industrial unit that automatically switches between 12 different thread colors without stopping. It has a massive working area suitable for everything from baseball caps to huge jacket back designs. This unit is listed on Alibaba at a starting price of $1,500. This is significantly cheaper than Western brands. It comes with cap attachments included. The software allows you to digitize logos and optimize stitch paths for speed. By offering digitizing and embroidery services to local businesses and schools, you secure repeat customers who will return every season for new uniforms. It is a high-ticket service that builds a sustainable and long-term business foundation. There you have it. 10 machines that prove the factory of the future fits inside your home. Whether you are knitting socks or setting pearls, the barrier to entry has never been lower. The only missing piece of the puzzle is your creativity and drive. Which of these machines sparked an idea for you? Let me know in the comments below. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more business ideas that put the power of production in your hands.